Japan has played its cards right in the game of innovation, once again. From groundbreaking vehicles that can quite literally reshape how the automotive industry functions to advancements that scream convenience and performance, Japanese makers have done it once again. Their new generation transport is sleek, jaw-dropping, and everything an automotive enthusiast can dream of. And, well, US automakers are shocked, to say the least. Make sure to stick till the end, because today, we are exploring Japan's revolutionary launch and how it is making US engineers scramble. Number 10. Daihatsu Modular Mini Battery EV. At the Japan Mobility Show 2023, Daihatsu introduced new EV concepts, including a compact roadster, a box truck, and mini passenger battery electric vehicles. The mini passenger battery electric vehicle features a modular interior and exteriors that are designed exactly how the driver wants it to be. Yes, you can get it customized. And not just the body. You can even get 3D printed car parts fitted into the vehicle. This compact car is just 116.3 inches long. Daihatsu also displayed 3 other vehicles at the Tokyo Big Sight event in 2023. These vehicles also included a mini commercial truck, an open-air mini battery electric vehicle, and another open coupe. Number 9. Honda Uni One. The Honda Uni One is a hands-free personal mobility device that allows you to move around without any physical limitations. You can use steers and move in any direction by shifting your body weight. The Uni One features a seat that can be raised or lowered. With 4 additional stabilizing wheels, the vehicle has a top speed of 3.7 miles per hour. With an electric range of 5 miles, the vehicle can be used in theme parks, entertainment facilities, XR games, and even in retail spaces. It is expected that Honda will launch the Uni One in 2025 at the price tag of just $800. As a blend of augmented reality and virtual reality, the Uni One is capable of creating an immersive driving experience. With enhanced safety features like an advanced driver assistance system, the vehicle is Honda's big step towards the integration of technology in transportation. Number 8. InMotion V14. The InMotion V14 is an electric unicycle that is designed for both off-roading and city commuting. Powered by a 4000 W rated motor with 9000 W peak power that produces 200 Newton-meters of torque, the vehicle can be charged to 80% within an hour. Along with a range of up to 120 kilometers on a full charge, the vehicle has a Raptor controller with highly sealed connectors, 42 MOSFETs, and 18 capacitors. The InMotion V14 also features a smart BMS that can let you monitor the voltage and the temperature of each battery cell through the InMotion app. The unicycle includes a progressive spring, which has a front-end stiffness of 600 pounds per inch and rear-end stiffness of 970 pounds per inch. However, the stock spiker pedals are the same as the previous version, V13. Number 7. Raptor Mobility Vehicle. The Raptor is a 3-wheeled platform mobility scooter that features kaleidoscopic transformation. Introduced in April 2024 by Roids Tech, a startup by the general manager of Future Robotics Technology Center of Chiba Institute of Technology and president of RDS, the Raptor has a speed range of 0 to 40 kilometers per hour. Equipped with a 48V battery, the vehicle takes 7 hours to charge from 0 to 100%. Intended for urban mobility, the Raptor's design is inspired by a hawk. The Raptor's standout feature is its unique connection unit mechanism that separates and combines the upper part with the lower base unit. The 2 parts can be separated and recombined, which allows free reconfiguration of the vehicle. The Raptor features a swing arm and a front tilting differential along with a swing arm at the rear, and the braking system functions on hydraulic discs on all wheels. Number 6. Tier IV's Autonomous EV. Japan has started to focus more on domestically produced self-driving vehicles. Several Japanese automakers are putting in their best labor and equipment to come up with an efficient design, and one of them is Tier 4. The startup company specializes in autonomous driving technology, and it has now started a prototype development project. You might have heard of the company, as it is pretty popular for its open-source self-driving software. After successfully developing the software and conducting demonstration experiments of self-driving cars, the company is developing a one-box type electric vehicle. The vehicle is going to be spacious enough to seat 4 to 6 passengers apart from the driver. The initial design looks like a minivan-like EV, and the company will be collaborating with Toray Carbon Magic to create a lightweight design and carbon fiber reinforced plastic molding. Number 5. Yamaha Motoroid 2. The Yamaha Motoroid 2 is the successor of Yamaha's Motoroid, which was introduced in 2017. This self-riding electric bike defies conventional controls with its handlebar-free design, and is a prototype ready to hit the road. Along with gyroscopes that keep the riding experience smooth and balanced, the Motoroid 2 features an image recognition AI system. This technology has made it really easy for users to navigate through roads. Introduced at the Japan Mobility Show 2023, the Motoroid 2 can recognize its owner, get up off its kickstand, and move alongside its rider. The swing arm and battery box are linked so they tilt together in an active mass center control system. Apart from its futuristic design, the electric bike gained hype for its ability to accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 2.8 seconds. With a top speed of 124 miles per hour, the Motoroid 2 can follow its rider around when asked to. Number 4. Hydrofoil Jet Ski. Introduced by a Slovenian engineer, David Vukovic, the Hydrofoil Jet Ski, also known as the Flyway, is a jaw-dropping water motorcycle. What makes it different is that the water motorcycle functions with an electric motor that uses a propeller drive and not a jet drive. The watercraft uses wings to lift the craft out of the water, allowing it to reach high speeds and ride smoothly. It uses the Bernoulli principle, which explains that faster-moving fluid creates a lift that supports the object. As the craft increases in speed, the hydrofoil elements create enough lift to raise the hull out of the water. Reaching up to 60 miles per hour, the Hydrofoil Jet Ski has a runtime of up to 4 hours. Faster and smoother than traditional boats, the water motorcycle is priced at almost $59,000. Number 3. Honda EM1e. Produced by Honda, the EM1e is an electric scooter that is a part of Honda's Urban Personal Mobility Vehicles group. The Scoot has a limited range, which makes it suitable for beginners, accommodating 2 people, including a driver and 1 passenger. The scooter features foldable foot pegs for the passenger, powered by an in-wheel EF16M motor that produces 2.3 horsepower and 66.4 pound-feet of torque. The scooter has a top speed of 28 miles per hour. The EM1e was first introduced at the EICMA 2022 show as an initial model by Honda. The plan was to launch 10 electric motorcycles and scooters by 2025, and the EM1 was one of those 10. The plan was successfully executed when the EM1 was launched as an electric equivalent for the 50cc scooter class. Number 2. Honda Moto Compacto. The Honda Moto Compacto is a successor to the Honda Moto Compo that was sold by Honda between 1981 and 1983. The Moto Compo was the smallest scooter ever produced by Honda and was even foldable into a rectangle. In September 2023, Honda announced the Moto Compacto. It is an all-electric scooter with a 12-mile range on 1 charger. The scooter can hit 15 miles per hour in 7 seconds and can be folded into a 41-pound suitcase. As the name suggests, the scooter is compact and portable, which makes it an excellent option for everyday commuting. Obviously, it's not designed for heavy-duty tasks, but it can be used to easily navigate through urban areas, especially with today's traffic conditions. The Moto Compacto is the perfect remake of the Moto Compo. The combination of the 1980s design and current technology makes it one of the best compact Japanese vehicles. Number 1. SkyDrive's Flying Cars. Japan has finally stepped into commercializing flying cars. In May 2024, the public watched as the vehicle flew 10 meters off the ground in a parking lot outside the Tokyo Big Sight Convention Center. We have seen the Hexa, which is also a flying car. This one was manufactured by the US firm Lift Airlift Inc., and it looks like Japan is not going to stay behind. The ministry has announced that it will cover almost 50% of the construction expenses. Flying cars hold a lot of potential for a diverse range of applications. If the project turns out to be a success, these vehicles can be used for emergency medical transport and even taxi services. Japan has yet again proved why it's a global leader in innovation. Setting new standards for the future of automotive, these vehicles are a wake-up call to other automakers. Now, how do you think the US is going to respond to this launch? Let us know in the comments below. And oh, while you're here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.